Hello guys and girls, how are you doing today? On today's video, we are going to discuss on how I was able to catch this movement on VIX 75 index trade this recently. For those that are not successful yet in trading and are always in doubt whenever they see a fellow trader who is already successfully posting videos, then let's be assured it is a real account. As you can see with your own eyes, it is a real account, and it's one of the smallest accounts that I usually trade, and I usually post videos on how I trade those small accounts, so as to encourage even those small traders who do not have enough capital to trade with, that it is possible to be successful in forex trading, starting with just a minimum amount of capital that you can afford. And as you can see on my trades, I always use the lot size that are always the lowest lot size. And as you can see on Volatility 75 index, lots of 0.001, it's the lowest lot size that even a person who has just a $10 account can trade with and get these same results. Before we proceed with the video, please be aware that this video has been sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central offers a suite of financial products including funding, spot cryptocurrency exchanging, and liquidity services. If you are looking to get funded as a trader, then I suggest you register with Trader Central through the link in the description below. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not keep this video too way long. So factors that made me enter into this trade are very simple. As a matter of fact, it's just a one factor that was within my trading age. Once the price did come back to this previous lower high, or you can just call it a support, and the candlestick that came to that level closed with weak rejections, that was enough of a confluence for me to enter this trade. And so what I did is I just defined my risk, which was around $40 worth of risk, since this is the 4-hour time frame and this is Volatility 75 index. So that was my risk, okay, around $40 to $43. After defining my risk and after knowing that this trade is within my rules, that's when I decided to take this trade without too much thinking. Now what's next is I'm going to tell you, okay, on how we can lock profits. You can see that I've moved my stop loss to where it is right now on the screen. You may wonder how or why did I choose those specific numbers to be as a stop loss so that I lock the already made profits. So the answer is simple. As you can see, the price did kind break off some level, okay, some supports. So it's just logical to press your stop loss above that broken support level, so that when the price decides itself that it wants to retest that level, you'll be just okay, since the price won't just go down all the way on a string of straight line. You always experience some deeper pullbacks where you'll have to see your profits, your bigger profits turning into smaller profits, and sometimes even at break even. So this is the way I do it. Once the market breaks a certain level, I just move the stop loss and put the stop loss just above that level, so that I can allow for the market to breathe. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you have any suggestions on how I can be delivering these knowledges, please comment below so that I can work out on the next month. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.